You have a business idea that feels like $1 million opportunity. You've already imagined the website, the logo, maybe even quitting your job. But here's the reality. Most businesses don't fail because the founders aren't smart. They fail because they build something nobody actually wants. Before you spend a single dollar, you need to validate your idea. And today, I'm going to show you a simple 5-step checklist that can save you months of wasted time and potentially thousands of dollars. Let's start with the biggest mistake entrepreneurs make: confusing interest with demand. Just because people search for something online doesn't mean they'll pay for a solution. Instead of looking at search volume, go where your potential customers already spend time. Browse Reddit communities, Facebook groups, niche forums, and comment sections. Look for complaints, frustrations, and recurring problems. If people aren't actively talking about a problem, there's a good chance it isn't painful enough for them to spend money solving it. Next, stop pitching your product and start investigating the problem. When you talk to potential customers, don't ask, "Would you buy this?" Instead, ask about their struggles and experiences. What frustrates them? What have they already tried? The goal isn't to get compliments on your idea. The goal is to discover whether the problem is important enough for them to take action. The third step is what many entrepreneurs avoid because it feels uncomfortable. Ask for a commitment. This is often called the mom test. Friends and family will tell you your idea is amazing because they want to support you. Their opinion doesn't validate your business. A real test is asking someone to pre-order, join a waitlist, or place a small deposit. If people won't commit before the product exists, that's valuable information. Interest is nice. Commitment is what matters. Step 4 is understanding the competition. Many founders think having no competitors is a good thing. Usually, it's the opposite. Competition proves there's a market. Find the top players in your space and study them carefully. Then ask yourself one question: why would someone choose me instead? If you can't clearly explain how you're better, faster, cheaper, or more specialized, you're entering a crowded market with no advantage. Finally, do the math. This is where many exciting ideas fall apart. If it costs you more to acquire a customer than the profit you make from that customer, you don't have a business model. You have a very expensive hobby. Even rough estimates can reveal whether your idea has a realistic path to profitability. The truth is that validation isn't about proving you're right. It's about discovering what's wrong before it becomes expensive. Spending a few days testing your assumptions can save you from spending years building something nobody wants. And if you're serious about building wealth, growing a business, and achieving financial freedom, make sure you join our free newsletter. Every week, we send professionally crafted insights, business ideas, investing lessons, and practical financial freedom strategies that can help you make smarter money decisions. The link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. What's the biggest challenge you're facing with your business idea right now? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.